More than 40 million Americans will face federal student loan bills again by the end of the summer.
Yeah, the pandemic-era payment freeze comes to an end under terms of a debt ceiling deal that was approved by Congress. Now, it may be tempting not to make payments, but as WDRB's Fallon Glick found out, the consequences can be severe.
And guys, student loan interest will resume on September 1st and payments, they start in October. But what happens if payments are not made? Once the moratorium ends, borrowers who can't or don't pay risk delinquency and eventually default. This can hurt your credit score and make you ineligible for additional government aid and benefits. The federal government can also garnish your wages and tax refunds. Advisors encourage borrowers to check if you qualify for an income-driven repayment plan, which determines payments based on how much money you make. If you work for a government agency or a nonprofit, you could also be eligible for the Public Service Loan Forgiveness Program. This forgives student debt after 10 years. Many borrowers are waiting to see if the Biden administration student loan forgiveness program can legally move forward. The plan would forgive up to $20,000 per person. Now, the Supreme Court is expected to make a ruling on two legal challenges this summer. Payments will resume regardless of what justices decide. Today, Senator Mitch McConnell slammed that forgiveness program.
The facts are so clear that even a former top Obama administration economist has admitted, quote, across the board, student loan forgiveness is regressive.
Now, if the forgiveness program is denied, it is possible the White House could make changes and try again, but that could take several months. No debt has been canceled yet, but 16 million borrowers were approved for relief last year. And Hayden, the Department of Education says it will be in direct communication with borrowers before payments are due.
A lot of people affected by this. Thank you, Fallon.